Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could insert a picture in an Excel sheet. So we'll just open our Excel and we'll just select blank workbook and we'll just go to insert. We will select picture and we will select the picture which we want to insert. Here you have multiple options. If you want just to have the picture insert somewhere in the Excel sheet, or you have another or additional options, you can always go to page layout and insert the picture as a background. Work offline, we select insert and the picture or the logo will appear on the background. Otherwise, you have a third option which is inserting the same picture into the header and the footage of the page or the footer. So we will just click go to insert header and footer. We click on it. Once done, you will just locate the area where you want the picture to be introduced or the logo. Right side, middle, left side, middle, or right side. And this will include the picture or will add the picture exactly where you have selected. So here I will just select. I will go back to design. I will select picture. Work offline to locate the picture from my desktop. I will select the picture. Click insert. Few seconds and the picture will be insert. You have just to click anywhere and the picture will appear. If you don't like it, just go back to the header, click to delete or go back to design, and as soon as you click anywhere, the picture has been deleted. Once done, just click on save and this should save the work which you have done.